Today, we gather in remembrance of a true hero. A man whose life was marked by selflessness, courage, and an unwavering love for his flock. We honor the legacy of Father Thomas Fernandes, born on September 11, 1972.
Father Thomas was not only a priest but a friend, mentor, and guardian to the youth. He had a special way of connecting with people, especially young souls. He understood their struggles, their hopes, and was always there with open arms and a listening heart.
It was on May 9, 2010, that Father Thomas showed the depth of his love for those he cared for. That day, two young picnickers found themselves struggling in the waters of Galgebag. As their cries for help pierced the air, Father Thomas acted without hesitation.
He plunged into the waters, driven by his deep sense of duty and love for his flock. Father Thomas managed to rescue two of the youths, bringing them safely to shore. His heart was focused on their safety, even as his strength began to fade.
In that final act of bravery, Father Thomas gave everything he had. Exhausted but still concerned for others, he left us too soon. His sacrifice reminds us of the profound love that a shepherd has for his flock.
Today, as we remember Father Thomas on what would have been his birthday, we celebrate not just the life he lived, but the lives he saved and touched. His connection with the youth was special, and his legacy lives on in each person he guided, mentored, and loved.
Father Thomas, your courage, your love, and your sacrifice will never be forgotten. You inspire us to be better, to love selflessly, and to live with the same faith and bravery you showed.
Rest in peace, Father Thomas. Your spirit lives on in our hearts, guiding us, inspiring us, and reminding us of the true meaning of love.